Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To say, my house is close to here, say, הבית שלי קרוב לכאן. הבית, the house, שלי, of mine, קרוב, close, singular male, לכאן, to here. To say, I need to study. As a male, say, אני צריך ללמוד. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, ללמוד, to study. And as a female, say, אני צריכה ללמוד. To ask, where is the library? Say, איפה הספרייה? איפה, where, הספרייה, the library. To say, I have a problem. Say, יש לי בעיה. יש, there is, לי, to me, בעיה, a problem. To ask, do you know how to swim? When speaking to a male, say, אתה יודע לשחות? אתה, you, singular male, יודע, know, singular male, לשחות, to swim. You would notice that what I actually said is, you know to swim. What would make it into a question is the way you say it. To say, I am waiting for the bus. As a male, say, אני מחכה לאוטובוס. אני, I, מחכה, waiting, singular male, לאוטובוס, for the bus. And as a female, say, אני מחכה לאוטובוס. To say, he is sitting in the park. Say, הוא יושב בפארק. הוא, he, יושב, sitting, singular male, בפארק, in the park. To say, he works in a hospital as a doctor. Say, הוא עובד בבית חולים כרופא. הוא, he, עובד, works, singular male, בבית חולים, in a hospital, כרופא, as a doctor. To say, I need to change a light bulb. As a male, say, אני צריך להחליף נורה. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, להחליף, to replace, נורה, a light bulb. And as a female, say, אני צריכה להחליף נורה. To say, I live in a big house. As a male, say, אני גר בבית גדול. אני, I, גר, live, singular male, בבית, in a house, גדול, big, singular male. And as a female, say, אני גרה בבית גדול. To ask, can we go out tonight? Say, אנחנו יכולים לצאת הערב? אנחנו, we, יכולים, can, plural males or a mixed group, לצאת, to go out, הערב, tonight. Again, the sentence says we can go out tonight, and what would make it into a question is the way you say it. אנחנו יכולים לצאת הערב? To ask, where did you put the scissors? When speaking to a male, ask, איפה שמת את המספריים? איפה, where, שמת, you put, singular male, את המספריים, the scissors. And when speaking to a female, ask, איפה שמת את המספריים? To say, I buy fruits at the market. As a male, say, אני קונה פירות בשוק. אני, I, קונה, buy, singular male, פירות, fruits, בשוק, at the market. And as a female, say, אני קונה פירות בשוק. To say, I have a meeting tomorrow, say, יש לי פגישה מחר. יש, there is, לי, to me, פגישה, a meeting, מחר, tomorrow. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you would be the first to know when I release more videos.